to Little Miss Drop Stitch. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to yarn over both on the knit side and the purl side, and I promise both are quite easy. I'm just going to knit up to the point where I want to yarn over. The reason we might use this technique is for example, lace knitting, where we purposely want to create a hole, so not accidental like a drop stitch. Brilliant, so we're on the knit side. To yarn over, just bring your yarn to the front. It might seem a bit strange at first, and then next stitch, just knit as normal. Okay, and you can always tell which is the yarn over because it's on a bit of a diagonal. So it's that easy. Let's do it again. Yarn to the front, knit the next stitch as normal. Come and meet me on the purl side so I can show you how to do it that way as well. To yarn forward on a purl side, we have to work a little bit differently, and this is because our yarn is already at the front of our work to be able to do the purl stitch. And you're just going to wrap it round front to back, okay, and then continue to purl. Again, we've got that characterisation of the slightly slanted stitch. Gosh, that's not easy to say. And the next one, we'll do it again. Yarn's already in front. Wrap it round your needle and into the next stitch and purl as normal. There's the one we made earlier, and there's two intentional holes that we did before. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do give us a like, subscribe, all that good stuff so we can continue to grow and make more tutorials. Thank you.